Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road, gear up for extreme trails. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road is a compact off-road pickup truck built for adventure enthusiasts, trail seekers, and outdoor explorers. With its legendary reliability, rugged 4x4 capability, and durable construction, the Tacoma TRD Off-Road is perfect for navigating rocky trails, muddy paths, and extreme terrain. To get the most from your Tacoma, choosing the right tires, lift kits, suspension upgrades, and off-road gear is essential. A critical focus for Tacoma TRD off-road owners is off-road tires. The 2026 Tacoma TRD can accommodate all-terrain and mud-terrain tires, offering superior traction, durability, and performance in harsh conditions. Popular options include BF Goodrich KO2, Nitto Ridge Grappler, and Falken Wild Peak at 3W, which provide excellent grip on rocks, dirt, sand, and mud. Upgrading to larger tires improves ground clearance, approach and departure angles, and overall trail capability, giving the Tacoma a more aggressive and adventure-ready appearance. Suspension upgrades are another key area for enhancing off-road performance. The Tacoma TRD Off-Road comes with Bilstein shocks and TRD-tuned suspension, but aftermarket upgrades such as lift kits, upgraded coilovers, and sway bar disconnects can improve wheel articulation, ride comfort, and obstacle clearance. Brands like Old Man Emu, Icon Vehicle Dynamics, and Fox provide quality solutions for trail-focused setups, allowing the Tacoma to handle rocky terrain, deep ruts, and steep inclines with confidence. Other essential off-road modifications include rock sliders, skid plates, bumpers, and recovery gear. Rock sliders protect the truck's sides from scrapes and obstacles, while heavy-duty bumpers provide winch compatibility and added durability. Skid plates shield vital components like the engine, transfer case, and fuel tank, ensuring your Tacoma survives extreme off-road conditions. Adding LED light bars or auxiliary lighting improves visibility for nighttime or low-light trail navigation, making off-road adventures safer and more enjoyable. Interior and utility upgrades also enhance trail readiness. All-weather floor mats, cargo organizers, roof racks, and storage solutions keep gear secure, while portable air compressors, recovery straps, and GPS devices allow drivers to handle unexpected challenges efficiently. With the right accessories, the Tacoma TRD Off-Road is fully prepared for extended off-road adventures. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road is a versatile, rugged, and trail-ready truck that excels in mud, rocks, sand, and steep terrain. By equipping it with off-road tires, lift kits, suspension enhancements, and protective gear, your Tacoma becomes a fully capable off-road machine, ready for extreme trails and challenging conditions. With the right trail-ready upgrades, the Tacoma TRD Off-Road 2026 delivers a thrilling, dependable, and highly capable off-road experience, making it a top choice for adventure seekers seeking a compact, reliable, and powerful off-road truck.